I therefore very much welcome this initiative, a valuable and specific platform for international companies to meet, to exchange views and best practices. But also a platform that will help to ensure that the business and investment environment remains competitive. The Antwerp chapter will of course also be a very relevant platform to help communicate and support new projects and concepts, especially those with a US connection. Like it was already mentioned, the Red Star Line Museum, for instance, which will open its doors next year. Antwerp indeed has a strong historic connection with the US, and I do believe that many Antwerp people really have that strong connection with the US. Many Americans, or at least their ancestors, arrived in the US via Port of Antwerp. This is something which still today is very close to the hearts of many Americans. The new Red Star Line Museum could play an important role in mobilizing Americans to visit Antwerp and in helping to strengthen the connection between the US and Antwerp. At the same time, the more than 350 US companies active in the region provide a very strong foundation for future development. Most existing investors continue to invest heavily in their operations, and hopefully we can further develop this momentum and attract many other new investors in their footsteps. Most of you are surely already directly involved with AmCham Belgium, and I am sure your support is greatly appreciated. In my name, I would like to encourage those of you who are not yet connected to do so and join this powerful platform and participate in the activities of the new Antwerp chapter.